Do you want to learn how to conjugate RE verbs in French? Once you master the French RE verbs, your vocabulary and conversation skills will grow immensely. Get ready to learn more and practice your conjugation skills with these helpful tips from Junia's French class. Hey everyone, Danae here with Take Lessons Live, bringing you the latest language tutorials right from our virtual classroom. If you're a beginner to French and you want to know more about how to use RE verbs, keep watching. We'll not only share how to conjugate these verbs, but if you subscribe, you'll receive more helpful tips in the future to advance your skills to the next level.
And the third group is the verb whose infinitive ends in RE. Alright. The subject pronoun. We have je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. So the first, second, and the third person. The first person singular, you just add the S. The second person singular, you add the S again. And the third person, you add nothing. Nothing at all. The first plural one, we add O and S. The second one, we add EZ. And the third person, we add ENT. Okay. Confondre is to confuse. Confuse. Vous me confondez avec ma jumelle. You're confusing with my twin. Jumelle is twin. Twin. In this case, it's twin sister. Because twin brother is jumeau. Jumeau. Jumelle is twin sister. You want me to spell jumeau? Sure, absolutely. Pas de problème. No problem. Perdre. Perdre means to lose. Nous perdons le match. We are losing the match. The game. The game. We are losing the game. Okay, mords.
Je mords, tu mords, il ou elle mord, nous mordons, vous mordez, ils ou elles mordent. Just mord, right? Mord.
Yeah, mordre. Yes, yes, very good. Because the ENC is pronounced as a silent E. Very good.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips super helpful. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below to access your free online French classes. These are live, beginner classes that will help you become fluent in French much faster. So go ahead and click the link below to get started today.